Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. We will be back in my guest bathroom again today, as I am in here right now cleaning the sink. And we're going to do the last two drawers in this guest bathroom. We're going to take everything out, wipe it down, see if there is anything to declutter, and get it back all nice and tidy. I am all about progress, not perfection. And so I think I started this series almost a year ago, and I have gone through almost every cabinet and every drawer in my home. I've tidied things up. I've decluttered so much stuff, and I love that you guys have embarked on this journey with me, and hopefully you have decluttered and tidied along with me.
See it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's no right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you
now I just want to show you any items that I am decluttering from the guest bathroom. First of all, I have this baggie. I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but there were some razor attachments, and I put it in one of these little baggies. You can order like all sizes from Amazon, and I really like to use these throughout my home in different places. So I switched from this to this. So I'm going to declutter this. I also have a mysterious pump. I'm not sure. I think it maybe it was extra with the containers that I have like my shampoo and conditioner and soap in for this bathroom, but I'm not sure, but I do not need it, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this away. This random cap for something, I'm going to throw that away. Some dental floss. This ivory soap. I use ivory soap to wash my makeup brushes. However, this ivory soap is crumbling underneath, so it's time for this one to go. And then there's a chance that every time we went to a hotel, I was possibly collecting the shampoos and conditioners and body washes and lotions to quite possibly bring back to our guest bathroom. But I have supplies now for the guest bathroom, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter these. So I had several things to declutter just for a small space, and I think it turned out great. I don't want to crowd anything up in here because if we do have guests, I do want them to be able to store things, and I want the space to be nice and welcoming and inviting for them. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you so much for spending part of your valuable day with me today. I know this was super quick, super easy, but you know, sometimes we need that, you know, like if we get started and we do something just really fast, maybe it motivates us to do something maybe it motivates us to do a bigger task. Or if we just have a little bit of time, we can just squeeze in a small task and get it done and check it off of our to-do list and move on. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.